We've been dealing with wildfires almost every day. One of the latest ones, the Gist fire that broke out in Orange and Jasper counties on Sunday. And one organization was instrumental in the response to that fire. The Sabine-Neches Chiefs Association offers mutual aid to 4 counties.
Yeah, they came with critical resources and the manpower to battle Sunday's big blaze. Tonight, that fire is still burning. 12 News reporter Gloria Walker joins us live from the fire line in Vidor. And Gloria, this organization plays a critical role in the fire response.
Absolutely, Brenda, Jordan. That organization has been around helping people for the past 75 years, just like they did on Sunday, helping people save their homes off Blankenship Road.
SNCA is one of the oldest mutual aid organizations in the state of Texas.
137 members make up the Sabine-Neches Chiefs Association. The counties they cover, 4 different ones, including Jefferson, Orange, Hardin, and Jasper. President Tim Oknashek says many groups are involved.
Representation from industry, business, faith-based organizations, hospitals, all levels of government.
Ready to step in at a moment's notice for emergencies that can range from fires to car crashes or even plant emergencies. There is a specific criteria in order to activate this mutual aid.
Other agencies are out of resources, will activate SNCA and they'll get them additional resources to come in and help.
The most recent that qualified, the Gist fire. Beaumont Fire Chief Earl White sent a crew, his boots on the ground, offering his support.
Which is pretty much an all call for mutual aid. It was activated, of course, from our agency. We sent a command truck, a wildland unit, which we have, Unit 665, and about 8 personnel to assist.
Help that can save homes and also people's lives. Their work extremely important, but oftentimes not the most visible.
We've got done more quickly. We bounced back more quickly, and that is not necessarily anything you know how it's done, but it's done behind the scenes by us working as a team.